Hola! There we go, guys. Down here. Alright, dito ako ngayon sa Johnny Air Mega Mall. And I'm going to pick up a gift from me. Coming from my aunt. Tapos, mag-unboxing tayo mamaya. Yeah. Ciao. Hola! Alright guys, so I received the item or parcel that my auntie sent me, and this is the package that I have been waiting for. I dream to have this one, so join me in unboxing the package. Kaya tara, check natin kung anong nandito. Mystery box. I have it here. Siya. By the way, I got this item from Johnny Cargo. The delivery was too fast because it was expected to be delivered in 7 to 9 days from the US. This is coming from New York. And I am grateful, and I would say thank you to my Aunt Gina for sending this one. So, oops. This one. Let's try to figure out. Alam ko na yung laman nito, guys, pero gusto lang i-share sa inyo kung ano yung nandito. I never expected that this will be bought by my aunt, but she is so generous enough to give me this, and at the same time there's also like a vitamins in it, so my vitamins po siya. So let's see, let's try to open this. Oops, there's still one more. There we go. Charan! So ito po yung laman niya, guys. Laman na. So I only asked for this one, Centrum. I needed this because I need vitamins. I don't have any, so I needed this one. Auntie Jean, thank you so much. I have it now. So she bought me 2 Centrum, and this one is for my sister. She needed this Tylenol for her sickness. So thank you, Auntie Jen. So I got it. And And another one. So she has 3 Tylenol. And also, oh, alright, there's also perfume. There's also perfume. Amazing. And Ian, thank you for this one. I think I don't know if the smell is for women or for girls. If it's not for girls, then I'm gonna grab one, just one. I'll give it to my sister. Anyway, oh, there are 4 of them. Tiffany and Co. Company. And there's also another one. The Joe Malone London. I don't know what's this. Oh, it's a perfume also. Smells good. Alright. But I think this is for my sister. So this is for her. And the next part of the item is this one. Here you go, guys. The GoPro 7. Alright. So this one is what I dream about. And this is what I wanted to use during my travel and at the same time during my ride. So for sure, I'm going to use this during the races that I'm going to join, and at the same time the travel also. This is already like waterproof, so you can use this shooting underwater and so on and so forth. And it features stabilization. So when you're riding, when you're using a bike, especially I'm riding a bike, so this could, the stabilization could be useful when it comes to capturing when you're riding. Alright, so I'm so excited to use this. And at the same time, I have the gadget also. So here, it includes a package, a gadget. So I'm really excited to use this one. So let's see what's in it. So this is a kit which includes this one, and this one, a holder. So let's try to open it. So I will use the GoPro 7. I will do some reviews in the GoPro 7 when I'm riding the trail or traveling to somewhere. It's handy compared to my Samsung Galaxy. So here we go. So I have my GoPro 7. I'll put it here. It's here. And let's see what's inside. So this is the kit, which includes some gadgets, cool stuff. There you go. So I have this one here. Put my GoPro here. Then I also have for the head. So this one, I have this. Let's see. Here we go. So I can use this if I'm going to wear this one by this way. So this is for the head. So if I'm going to hike mountains, I'm going to use this and this one to put the GoPro. Hola! And Jen, again, thank you so much for this one and for the vitamins. So,
naging complete na ako. Isa na lang kulang. Lang, good lang. But, no, hindi hugot yun. I'll be complete. Wala. Thank you, and that's it for today. Ciao.